Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spider stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. As you can see, I've made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. If you're wanting to start the spider stitch from the very beginning, making chains and then making the spider stitch into the next row, just some information on my swatch. I started with 18 chains and then I started working spider stitches into the second chain from my hook. And the body of my swatch is made from spider stitches, so you can see how it's going to look. On the row that I'm currently working, I have already made one chain over here. So I'm going to go ahead and start my next spider stitch. And you can see this is a previous spider stitch from the last row. I'm going to be working into this space right here. I'm going to work one single crochet. I'm then going to work one chain and then another single crochet right into that same space that I was just working. And that's one spider stitch made. Okay, so I'm going to move over to my next one. I'm going to do one single crochet, one chain, and one single crochet into that same space. And that's going to be one spider stitch made. So it is made up of a single crochet, one chain, single crochet, all into the same stitch or same chain if you're working on chains. Okay, so I'm going to move over to my next one. I'm going to make one single crochet, chain one single crochet into that same stitch. In my next one single crochet, chain one, and one single crochet into that same stitch. And again, one single crochet, chain one single crochet into that same stitch, one single crochet, chain one single crochet into that same stitch, one single crochet in the next one, chain one single crochet into that same stitch. In my row, I'm going to do one regular single crochet, and that is how the stitch is going to look. Okay, that is going to be how to make the spider stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.